Hello, everyone. Welcome to Teach Me English. I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi, friends. Welcome to Teach Me English. Get comfortable, take a breath, and let's learn English together.
Today's lesson is about something people ask about all the time.
Yes, at school, at work, at a cafe, at a party, people ask this question again and again.
What do you do? Exactly. And when someone asks, what do you do? They usually mean, what is your job?
Nah, not always, but usually yes.
So today we will learn how to answer that question in
Simple, natural.
natural English.
We will talk about your job, your workplace, your daily tasks, your workplace, your daily tasks, your work time, your coworkers, and how you feel about your job.
And we'll do it slowly,
Clearly.
with many examples.
And maybe with a few jokes.
A few?
Lisa, I prepared at least 3 professional jokes.
Professional jokes? That sounds dangerous.
Don't worry, they are beginner-level jokes.
Friends, before we begin, please like this video if it helps you.
And subscribe for more slow English lessons. It really helps the channel.
And it helps Adam feel like a real teacher.
I am a real teacher. Look, I have a pen.
Okay, Teacher Adam, let's begin.
Let's start with the most important question.
What do you do?
Listen again. What do you do? This means,
What is your job?
for example, Lisa, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Nice. Say it slowly for our learners.
I am a teacher.
One more time.
I am a teacher.
Great. Now my answer. I am a writer.
Yes. Adam writes English lessons.
And sometimes I write emails and then forget to send them.
That is not a job. That is a problem.
True, a very modern problem. Yeah.
So, the first simple answer is I am a teacher.
I am a writer.
I am a doctor.
I am a nurse.
I am a driver.
I am a student. I am a
Chef.
I am a waiter.
I am a shop assistant.
I am an engineer. I am an office worker.
Good. Now, there is something small but important here. The word
Yes. In English, we usually say before one job. I am a teacher.
I am a nurse.
I am a driver.
I am a chef.
But sometimes we use an.
We use on before a vowel sound.
For example,
I am an engineer.
I am an artist.
I am an office worker.
Good. Do not worry too much. Just listen and repeat. Yes.
Your ear will learn. All right, friends, repeat after us.
I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am a nurse.
I am a driver. I am an engineer.
I am an office worker.
Very good. And remember, it is not I am teacher.
Right. Say, I am a teacher. Small words are small.
The small word is important.
Small words are small, but sometimes they make big problems. That is true in English.
Now, there is another way to talk about your job. You can say, I work as a teacher.
I work as a writer.
I work as a nurse.
I work as a driver.
I work as an engineer.
I am a teacher, and I work as a teacher.
Are both okay. But for beginners, I am a teacher is easier.
Short, clear, and natural.
So if someone asks, what do you do? You can answer, I am a teacher.
Or, I work as a teacher.
Let's practice together.
What do you do?
I am a nurse.
What do you do?
I work as a driver.
What do you do?
I am an engineer.
Good. Now, you answer. What do you do?
Say your answer out loud. Nice. Even if it was not perfect, that was practice.
And practice is more important than perfect grammar.
Exactly. Now let us talk about where you work. The question is, where do you work?
Listen again. Where do you work?
You can answer with at, in, or for. The 3 little words.
Do not panic.
I panicked a little.
We will keep it simple.
Good. I like simple.
Use at for many places. I work at a school.
I work at a hospital. I work at a restaurant.
I work at a hotel.
I work at a bank.
I work at a supermarket.
So at is useful for a place.
School, a hospital, a bank, a hotel.
Now in.
We often use in for a room, a building, or a type of place.
I work in an office.
I work in a factory.
I work in a shop.
I work in a kitchen.
I work in a hospital.
You may hear both. At a hospital and in a hospital.
So both are okay?
Yes, many times both are okay. English likes to give us choices.
Sometimes too many choices.
True. But for today, remember these. I work at a hospital. I work in an office.
Good enough for A2 learners.
Now for.
We use for with a company, a person, or an organization.
I work for a big company.
I work for a small company. I work for my family business.
I work for a hotel company.
I work for a delivery company.
Great. Now let's practice the question.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Where do you work?
I work for a big company.
Good, now you answer.
Okay. Where do you work?
You can say, I work at a hospital.
I work in an office.
I work for a company. Or maybe,
I work from home.
yes, very common now.
We will talk about that later.
Now let's make a full answer.
A full answer sounds more natural.
Question. What do you do? Answer.
I am a nurse. I work at a hospital.
Good. Again slowly.
I am a nurse. I work at a hospital.
Another example, I am a chef. I work in a restaurant.
That sentence makes me hungry.
You are always hungry.
Only during lessons and before lessons.
And after lessons. So always, yes.
Always.
Let's continue. I am a driver. I work for a taxi company.
I am a teacher. I work at a school.
I am an engineer. I work for a construction company.
Construction means building things.
Like houses,
Roads.
bridges.
And sometimes very confusing furniture.
Furniture is not construction, Adam.
Maybe not, but when I build a chair at home, it feels like construction.
Fair enough.
Now let's talk about daily work.
The question is, what do you do at work?
This means, what are your tasks?
A task is something you need to do.
For example, a teacher teaches students. A doctor helps patients.
A nurse helps patients too.
A chef cooks food.
A waiter serves food.
A driver drives people or things.
A shop assistant helps customers.
A customer is a person who buys something.
Customer. Say it slowly.
Customer. Customer.
Customers.
Good. Now let's make simple task sentences.
I teach students.
Uh-huh.
I help customers.
I answer emails.
I cook food. I drive a taxi.
I clean rooms.
I sell clothes.
I fix computers. I make coffee.
That one is very important.
For you, yes. I talk to clients. A client is similar to a customer. For example, a lawyer has clients.
A designer has clients.
A client often uses a service. A company has clients.
Good. Now repeat these short sentences.
I help customers. I answer emails.
I work with a team.
I go to meetings. I use a computer.
I talk on the phone.
I write reports.
I make coffee.
Lisa, can making coffee be a real work task?
Yes, if you work in a cafe.
Then I am ready for a cafe job.
Can you make good coffee?
I can drink good coffee. That is a different skill.
Still useful, maybe.
Now let's talk about people at work. People are important, sometimes more difficult than grammar.
Maybe.
Here are some useful words.
Your boss.
Your manager.
Your coworker.
Your colleague.
Your customer.
Your client.
Your boss is the person above you at work. Your manager helps lead the team.
A coworker works with you.
A colleague also works with you. Coworker is common in daily English.
Colleague sounds a little more formal.
Let's practice with sentences. My boss is friendly.
My manager is busy.
My coworkers are nice.
I work with a good team.
I help customers every day.
I talk to clients on the phone.
Good. Lisa, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I work at an English school.
What do you do at work?
I teach students. I prepare lessons. I answer questions.
And sometimes I say, please repeat about 100 times.
That sounds true.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of repetition, but it works. Absolutely.
Yeah. It is true.
Now, Adam, what do you do?
I am a writer. I work from home.
What do you do at work?
I write scripts, answer emails, plan lessons, and look for my coffee cup.
How often do you lose your coffee cup?
Every day. It is usually next to my hand.
That is impressive.
Thank you.
It is my special talent. Do you have a boss?
Yes. My boss is very strict.
Really?
Yes. My boss is me.
So you are strict with yourself?
In the morning, yes. In the afternoon, my boss becomes tired.
Very natural.
Now let's learn another very common question.
Do you like your job?
Listen again. Do you like your job?
You can answer, yes, I do.
Or, no, I don't. But be careful. Sometimes this is a social question.
Yes, maybe your boss is standing near you. So instead of saying, no, I hate it, you can say something softer.
For example, it is okay.
It is sometimes difficult.
I like some parts of my job.
It is busy, but I like my team.
That sounds more polite.
Let's practice.
Do you like your job?
Do you like your job?
It is okay.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but it is sometimes busy.
Do you like your job?
You sing.
Yes, I like helping people.
Very good. Now you answer.
Do you like your job?
You can say, yes, I do. Or,
It is okay.
yes, but it is sometimes stressful. Then
Good, now let's describe your job.
you can say, my job is interesting.
My job is easy.
My job is difficult.
My job is busy.
My job is fun.
My job is stressful.
Stressful means it makes you feel worried or tired.
Stressful.
My job is stressful. Tiring means it makes you tired.
My job is tiring.
Exactly. My job is creative.
Good. Adam, describe your job.
My job is interesting and creative. But sometimes it is quiet.
Quiet can be nice.
Yes, but sometimes too quiet. Then I start talking to the chair.
Does the chair answer?
Not yet. But I feel hopeful.
Okay. My job is busy, but fun. I like working with students.
That sounds natural.
Now, listener, think about your job.
Is your job difficult?
Is your job fun?
Say one sentence now.
My job is...
Good. Maybe you said, my job is busy.
Great. Amazing. What's next? Now let's talk about work time.
Another question people often ask is,
What time do you start work?
Listen again. What time do you start work?
You can answer with a time.
I start work at 8 o'clock.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Let's practice.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 7 o'clock.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30.
Good.
Question.
Now another question. What time do you finish work?
Very common question. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish work at 6 o'clock.
Easy.
Sometimes people say, I work from 9 to 5.
That means you start at 9 and finish at 5.
Let's repeat. I work from 9 to 5.
I work from 8 to 4.
Excellent.
Some people work during the day.
Some people work at night.
For example,
Nurses.
security guards,
Ah. Hotel workers.
delivery drivers.
You can say, I work during the day.
Or, I work at night.
Some people work full-time.
Some people work part-time.
Both are useful expressions.
Full-time means many hours each week.
Part-time means fewer hours.
Good to know. I work full-time.
I work part-time.
Now let's review today's lesson.
We learned a lot of useful work vocabulary.
Someone asks, what do you do?
You can answer,
I am a teacher. Or, I am a driver.
or
I am an engineer. Where do you work?
I work at a school.
I work in an office.
I work for a company.
Perfect. Someone asks, what do you do at work?
I help customers. I answer emails.
I teach students.
I use a computer.
Very common tasks.
Someone asks, do you like your job?
You can say, yes, I do. And you can describe your job.
My job is fun. And you can describe your job.
My job is interesting.
My job is fun.
My job is stressful.
My job is creative. Now,
Friends, if you learned something today, tell us in the comments.
what is your job? Where do you work?
And do you like your job?
We would love to read your answers.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
Small steps every day make a big difference.
Practice a little.
Listen a little,
Speak a little.
and your English will grow.
Just like a plant.
A very talkative plant.
Mine would ask for coffee
Of course it would.
every morning.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video.
And subscribe for more English lessons.
We'll see you in next lesson.
Take care.
Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.